Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make pajama shirt and short. This is lingerie ideas number 3. I love wearing pajama at home because they are super comfortable. And today, let me show you how to make a pajama shirt with 2 pockets in front and split at the side, and zipper short. Now, let's get started. The fabric I'm using for pajama sets are silk. I picked up the fabric with so many colors and details on it for shirt, and say a beige for short. You can click link over here to see how I draw pattern to make this pajama set. First, I'll bend 2 pockets into 2 front pieces and stitching them in place. Now, align the facing on front part and starting to sew them together from top to bottom. From top, go down 11 cm, mark it there, and cut close to the stitching line. Then I'm going to stitching on the main front from top to the mark point. Next, from the mark point, stitching down to bottom on the facing. Next, keep going to stitching on top to the point that I marked before. Now, I'll cut the excess fabric and turn the right side out. Do the same with the other front. Place the back pieces onto the front and stitching them together along the shoulder. Next, I'm going to pin sleeve into the armhole and stitching them in place. And overlocking to protect fabric, but you can use a simple zigzag stick instead if you don't own an overlocker. Now, I bend the armpit together and sew down entire sleeve to the bottom of shirt, but leave out 11 cm and overlocking the raw fabric. I already cut out 2 panels with 3 cm and 5 cm width to cover the raw fabric at the bottom. Then I'm going to overlocking the bottom and fold it inside to sew hem. And also the end of sleeve. Moving on the color, I'm using the fabric for short to making color. I cut 2 panels and iron a thin taper on them, then draw the shape of color onto it and stitching on the side not matching with shirt. Next, cut the excess fabric and turn the right side out. Then I'll cut the main collar is longer 1 cm than the subsidiary one. Now starting to stitching the collar to short. After that, I'll bring the shirt to the accessories shop to making buttonhole to finish shirt. Moving on to short, I cut down 2 strings with 2 cm width, fold it in half and iron to make them flat. Align it onto the bottom of short and stitching them in place, then overlocking the raw fabric. Next, fold the bottom of short inside and stitching on top. Now, I'm going to connect whole last panel along the crop curve, then place the middle seam on top of each other and sew along the inner sides and crop. Next, I cut some elastic to fit around my waist and connect the end together. I'm going to pin the elastic to 4 points of the waist of short and overlocking. Then fold it inside and sew them in place to finish short. And here's the final look. Hope you like my tutorial for summer laundry wear ideas, and see you next Thursday. Bye!